Hello guys, I've just come from a meeting about the music videos that we're going to be shooting soon and everything for the EP. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. But yeah, it is so hot today. I think I need to eat something. I don't know if a strawberry will suffice, so I'm thinking what to make that's fresh because it's so hot. Just got this dress, by the way, and I am so obsessed. I think I'm gonna wear it in one of the visualizers because it's so cute. I could make a Greek salad. Guys, I just got sent some PR. Wildflower have sent me some cases.
Is that Billie Eilish?
Have you seen this brand before?
Is that Billie Eilish's brand?
No, it's Devon Lee Carlson, Sydney and Michelle. How cute is that? Right?
So cute.
How cute is
Polka
that?
dot.
This is your least favourite.
Yeah.
It's still really cute.
You could take that for afternoon tea for sure.
Yeah. What one should I put
Thank
my
you
phone
so
now?
much.
Thank you so much.
I would put the polka dot.
Yeah? What goes with my outfit today? I kind of like
I like that. Yeah, that goes with the outfit, like
This one?
low key, because there's like a yellow flower.
So cute. I
Get
sent
that.
me
Yeah.
some makeup. He ordered a lot for my friends.
Oh, for me.
No,
Yeah, you got me the concealer. Got me a concealer.
no I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Did I?
You aren't coming with me on my trip.
Hold on. No, this is... Mwah. I'll try it out later. Thank you, Rafai. Thank you so much. Wildflower.
Did you want a drink? Do you know what? No. You want to see my dick? Chair? Ah, come on. Ooh, what is this one
Hello, little baby Elsa.
Okay, wait, how do I? Wait, this is high tech.
Taste test. Really? What was it?
This is beautiful.
Yeah.
Wait, sorry. I'm trying to get rid of it.
Yeah, this is beautiful. It's fresh. It feels fresh. Right?
This is the place to go when matcha is the activity. Because Black Street is so key nonsense. It's nonsense to do. So,
I agree. Actually, it's done in 2 seconds. This is also really big.
Yeah.
So this is like...
This is like an activity.
They're so
I'm
fun.
happy that we drove all the way.
The name is so I'm just getting ready for Adidas show. They've sent me something to wear, but it hasn't come in time, so I think I'm gonna have to wear this or something else. This powder, by the way, is absurd. It feels wet when you put it on. I can't actually tell you how weird it is. The first few times I used it, I was like, is my brush wet? I really don't like heavy makeup at the moment. I guess it's summer. I've been watching a lot of true crime recently, which I feel like just can't be good for you, but I do like it. Just you wait. Just got a package from Prada. I don't really like banana flavored things, but you know what? Let's try it. It's actually not a banana. It is apple, pear, pineapple, peach. Guys, I just came back from the Adidas show. I'm usually quite a sociable person, but I was so antisocial just then. I don't know, I just left straight away. Hi guys, I was feeling very antisocial today. Had a really good time at the Adidas thing, but as soon as that was over, I was like, bye. Sorry guys. Came home, took my makeup off, and I just ordered Wingstop. About to watch some true crime. It's just like what I need right now, you know? Sometimes you do need that. Or maybe you don't. One thing about me, I don't care about designer things. But this, guys, this might be the bag of the century. I'm celebrating my new bag tonight. Oh my god. I actually ordered this to my friend's house by accident who lives around the corner. Ranch, 3 chicken tenders. I got garlic parmesan. I used to like the spicy Korean one, and it's just a little bit too like wet. Like, oh my god, my mouth is watering. Okay. Balance is key, guys. The next couple weeks are very busy because we're moving house. I'm going away for like a few days before we move out. So I've basically got to pack all of my stuff up before I leave. And as soon as we move in, I'm shooting all the music videos for this next EP. So I've got to also make sure all the outfits are sorted before I go on holiday, which means there's a lot of planning to do right now. So I'm just staying in tonight. It's like 10:20. This is amazing. I'm gonna stay eat my food and do some outfit planning and logistics planning. Bye. Good night.